Hi there, this is Jordan from Subaru Puyallup. Just wanted to make a quick video for you so you know how to pair your mobile device to the 2024 Subaru Legacy. All right, now that you're in the Legacy, you're gonna go ahead, open your phone, make sure your Bluetooth setting is turned on. You'll go ahead and hit your settings button, Bluetooth, and make sure that it is turned on. And then you're gonna go to your screen here on the vehicle. You're gonna make sure you hit the home button and it'll take you to this screen over here. Hit media, and it'll say no device connected, and then you're gonna hit add new device, and then it's gonna go ahead and the device name is gonna pop up below. Make sure you hit that, and it's gonna give you a pin. Make sure that the pins match up, pair, and then it'll ask you to allow your contacts. Go ahead and sync all of your contacts, and then you're all added on to your Legacy. If you have any additional questions on pairing your phone to the 2024 Legacy, feel free to reach out either via phone or email, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.